Happy Planner Wednesday and happy 4th of July. I'm filming this the day before the 4th, so I'm going to upload it on the 4th. So I hope that you all have a wonderful, safe, and happy 4th of July. What I'm going to be doing, this spread is from Monday, the 2nd of July through Sunday, the 8th of July. And what I'm going to be doing is a 4th of July spread. Let me show you the paper that I chose. I have this left over from a spread that I did last year on the 4th of July, so I'm going to use this down my sidebar there. And then I saw this, and I just wanted it to represent our flag. I love our flag, and I think it is so pretty. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to put this all over. And then I have some stickers that I've been collecting. I bought this at Michael's. They had their stickers 40% off. I could have made my own. That's what I did last year for the 4th of July. But I decided I wanted something a little bit different. So I love this little Chevy pickup truck and the heart and the sunglasses and the watermelon. I just think it is so happy, and that's what the 4th of July is to me. Celebrating our country's birth and our freedom. And then my grandparents were married on the 4th of July, and my parents were married on the 4th of July. So if my father was still alive, this would be their anniversary. So it's just a really special time for me, and we always have a wonderful time. So I have those stickers. Then I picked these up at Target's Dollar Spot last year, I believe. I really like those. And then at AC Moore, I picked these up last year, and it's just fireworks, and I think they're beautiful. And then I'm going to be using this washi that I got last year at Target. And then I'm going to be using either a red or a blue Papermate marker from Dollar Tree. And then I made a shaker card for the 4th of July. I just printed out that sticker and then just put some really pretty things in it and then punched holes in it to make it even pop more. So let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so glad that everybody loved the Send Me No Flowers theme. I really had fun doing that. Okay, like I said, I'm going to just be using this paper because I want it to kind of reflect our flag. So that's what I decided to do. I love the colors in our flag. It was also the colors to my high school. All right. Okay, so let's just put this down like we think that we want it. And I'm just going to mix these up so that the red and the white aren't always, I think that's how I want it, not always going the same direction. I think I'm going to like that. I might take this one here and put this one over here. I think it looks better if it's a little more mismatched. Okay, let's go ahead and put it down. Oh, that's really pretty. So bright and cheerful. Oh, so festive. I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and put our washi down. Now this washi, I've used it before, and you cannot cut, tear it. You have to actually cut it. That's the only thing I don't really love about this washi is and when it goes down, it goes down. Oh, I think that's really pretty, but like I said, I hate that washi. Ah. Okay, let's get in here and look at these stickers. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I think what I will put is I'll put 4th of July, Independence Day. I think I'll put that right up here, like I usually do. I like that, and that kind of hides my little boo-boo. And then I've got to put this Chevy somewhere. So I think I'm gonna put it right there. I think that's really cute. And then these sunglasses. I mean, you have to have your shades. I'm gonna put those right like that. Oh, that's super, super cute. And then I'm gonna put a heart. Because like I said, I really do love our flag. And then we always grill out, so I'm gonna get this little grill with the flames coming up. And I think I'll put that right there on the 4th. And then I'm gonna put celebrate right here. And these little sparklers are really cute. They put them right like that. Then I'm gonna go over here and look at these fireworks because I'm pretty sure I want to use some of these fireworks. I think I want this red one. So pretty. Put it right there on the 4th going off. And then maybe put an ice cream cone right there. And then happy 4th of July. I think I may put that. Maybe like right there. And then I have these banners. Let's see if I left room to put any of these. Yeah, I did. I think I'm gonna put these right here. I think that's cute. And then put some stars around here just to kind of liven it up. And I might put this. This is a cute little, like a fireworks going off. Let me put it maybe right here. Like the people in the truck are looking at fireworks. And then I'll put another one over here. Put that right there. And I think I'll stop with that. I think that looks nice. I don't want to overdo it. And so now I'm just going to write in some things that I need to do. Let's put it back in my planner and see how this turned out. I think it's really cute. Okay, and now I'm going to take this little shaker card and put this right here, and I think it's going to add a lot to it. So here it is. I really like these stickers. I love the paper, and I really love my shaker card, but the washi, I really don't care for it. But like I said, I hope everyone has a wonderful and safe and happy 4th of July. Don't eat too much. I know I will. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.